We were fortunate to be involved with a client out in Sherwood Park. They were really looking for something to be on their property that was along a predominant roadway, and they were really looking for something modern, something that was going to stand out. Throughout the process, there's multiple steps when providing a solution like this. Something at High Signs that we really take pride in is measuring twice and cutting once, which really elaborates on our thorough design process and going back to asking the customer the right questions. So as we ask these questions, we're able to kind of identify what's important to them. Obviously, there's some consultation at the beginning, discovering the client's needs, getting into mood boards, figuring out the color palettes, and then finally moving into concepts and shop drawings, which really show the exact Pantone colors, thickness of aluminum, the structural uprights, the digital display in there, how we're going to illuminate the RGB LEDs to really make the project come to life, and then finally kind of into the execution phase.
This sign has been a bit of a favorite of mine from the time that I saw the design that Jeff Billy produced. The whole team here at High Signs are very professional. We have our lead fabricator, Sam, that does all of the welding and the aluminum work on it, all the way to the painter, Mark, who has done an excellent job. We have different people to build the channel letters. It has a lot of angles to it, a cove lighting element to it. It has RGB color changing LEDs, and it also has a very interesting pebble acrylic feature to it. This job went up in 3 specific sections. The bottom of it is 10 feet. The middle part with the Daktronics message center is 5 feet high, and then the topper is another 8 feet high. For the installation, the foundation is set. The poles are the next thing to be installed. Once those poles go on, the base section goes down and it is bolted to the poles. And then the middle section with the Daktronics drops down, and then the top section fits on top of all of that and is bolted from the top. And then the acrylic panels are inserted into the tracking that is provided for them, where the color changing RGB is.